Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So normally at the beginning of my videos I show my face and we have some face-to-face interaction, but if you've seen my last two videos you will know that I am moving. So my apartment's crazy and I just think it's best to not do that because it takes a lot more time in the editing process and I just don't have the time at this point because we are moving. And also I just want everyone to know that next week I will not be posting a video because that is moving week. So this week we are doing paper squishies. I have posted paper squishies, but they were at the end of a different squishy video, so I think they kind of fell through the cracks, so I just did want to do this again. I did get this idea from another YouTuber. Her name is Chelsea DIY, and I will link her down below the video. And I'm really excited to show this to you because it's super fun and I hope that you guys will enjoy it. So if you guys like my video, please like and subscribe. That means so much to me. And also if you have any ideas, suggestions, or comments, you can put those below the video as well. And I am so excited to hear from you guys and I hope that you like this video. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and thank you for making it to the end of my video. I had so much fun making these with you guys. Like, I don't know, it just feels so relaxing to make these. I think that it's very creative and it's something that almost any of us can do at home if you just have paper and markers or color pencils, you know, something to color with. And also, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I got this idea from Chelsea DIY, and she actually shows some other ways to stuff it if you don't have polyfill or polyester stuffing or toy stuffing or something like that. I think she uses some cloth and tissue paper at some point. So I think these are really just something that any of us can make, and I was excited to show this to you, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. So if you did like my video, please like and subscribe. Like I said, this means so much to me. It gets my videos shown more if I have more subscribers, and I just really love hearing from you guys. So if you have any ideas, comments, or suggestions, just put those below the video as well. And if you make this, I would love to see it. I'm on different media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, so those are all below the video as well. And I just wanted to re-show the one that I made. So here it is. We did the sprinkles on top, we did the rainbow on the side, and it's not very slow rising. It comes up pretty fast, but I like it, and I'm actually okay with it not being more slow rising because I find that it's harder to get the wrinkles out. And I don't want to squish it like too much because I do want to use this for like a prop in my classroom, and I think the kids will really like it, so I don't want to squish it too much. And I also wanted to show a variation that I had made. If you are following me on TikTok or Instagram, then you might have seen this already, but I super love it. It's the Trix cereal, and I also got this idea, like I said, from Chelsea DIY. I got all of these ideas from her. She did a Lucky Charms one that was so cute, but I just wanted to do Trix because I thought that would be adorable, and I love the little Trix rabbit. If you look closely, it took me so long to make all of those little Trix cereal pieces, but yeah, I really love this. This might actually be my favorite one just because I just think it came out so cute and I like to squish it. Okay, anyway, and if you saw my last paper squishy video, then you've already seen these two, but if not, I'm going to link that in the iCards above. So before I had made this little French toast, I just want to say they're like all my favorite because I just think they're all so cute in their own way. His little pat of butter even squishes, like, and here is my cake narwhal, and he's like the most slow rising. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and like I said, it will not be here next week, and that makes me sad, but we are going to try and get back up and running as soon as possible. I don't know if I'll be here the week after either, depending on like how fast it takes me to unpack all of my things, but I do want to, and I hope to be back as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do follow me on Instagram or Twitter, then I will probably be posting some shorter videos. I just appreciate all of your cooperation, and I appreciate you guys watching all my videos. It means so much to me, so I hope to see you guys really soon. So thanks again, bye!
Hey, cereal first, yeah you know. Hey, I'ma make flowing real slow. Turn the TV to watch all my shows. Lucky Charms all on my stomach. Take out the mellows, the profit gon' plummet. I need to feel on top of the summit. If that's a blend, I'm sure I'm gonna shun it. Pack it and pack in the back of my Rari. Capping and crushing the back by the party. Raisin Bran outside, you know they can't get in. Bland cereals, yeah, you know they